So hello and welcome to another lecture in free and comprehensive course on AI app development using FlowiseAI by TechLatest.net. So far we had covered a lot of things like course overview and objectives, then agenda, then LangChain framework, then discover the power of FlowiseAI. AI. Then we had covered setup installation of FlowiseAI on AWS. Then in this lecture we're talking about setup installation of FlowiseAI on GCP. Okay, so what we have to do, go on techlatest.net website and click on product and support page. Then in artificial intelligence and machine learning category, you can find about the no code LLM and AI development using LangChain and Flowise. Okay, click on this product. After clicking on this product, in this lecture, we'll cover GCP deployment guide. So open the GCP deployment guide. Here you can also find about the lot of things like key features and other stuff. So no code LLM and AI development using LangChain and Flowise. Accelerator AI development experience with our cutting edge LangChain and Flowise virtual machine solution. This integrated VM suites combines the strength of LangChain, a de facto framework and AI and LLM app development with Flowise, a no low code tool for creating customized LLM orchestration flow and AI agents. These are some key features, seamless integration of LLMs, then accelerated development with no code, no low code interface, use case, and other things. Okay, so you can check this on our website. Apart from this, now we can see that this is full-fledged guide on setup and installation of Flowise and LangChain on GCP. Okay, so this section describes how to provision and connect to no-code LLM and AI app development using LangChain and Flowise VM solution on GCP. So what is our first step? Open click on this link and open VM listing on GCP Marketplace. We have already opened this VM. If you click on this link, okay, so you can see that our VM is open now on Marketplace. I'm already opened my VM. So now let's get started. Click on Get Started button. Okay, so on VM page you can find a lot of things like about the overview of the VM, key features and other things, also the pricing, documentation and support part. Okay, so you can also check this. Then after this, accept your terms and agreements and click on Agree button. Now after this, click on Deploy. So it will take 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, so here you can see that the deployment name and your deployment service account, list of available services account that have the following rules. Then you can select your zone according to your preference. Then boot disk and other things also. Now click on deploy button. After clicking on deploy button, now what we have to do next? Okay, so it will take 1 or 2 minutes to like deploying. So here you can see that the message Flowise 1, no code LLM and AI app, the AI development using LangChain and Flowise, step 3 by 3 deploying. Okay, so let's see what is our next step. So we have already completed these steps. You can check all the full-fledged guide on our website also. So we have already completed these steps. Now you can see this is the third step. A summary page displays when the compute engine is successfully deployed. Click on the instance link to go to the instance page. On the instance page, click on the SSS button, select open in browser window. Okay, and this will open SSS window in browser. Run below command to set the password for the Ubuntu user. Okay, so these are our basic steps for basically the VM and setup. Okay, we have also open our remote desktop option because we have used remote desktop option also. And let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes more. After this, now the password for the Ubuntu user is set. You can connect to the VM desktop environment from any local Windows machine using RDP or Linux machine using Ramina. So I am on Windows, so I'm open my RDP, which is the remote desktop option. Okay, if you are a Linux user, so use Ramina. So to connect using RDP via Windows machine, first knows the external IP of the VM from the VM detail page. Okay, so let's do some steps also. You can see that TCP1 and TCP443 port, 22 port, 3389 port, 80 port is already done, and compute engine is in progress. So click on compute engine, and after clicking on compute engine, you can see that Flowise 1 VM. Click on this again. And let's see that our VM is running now. Your status is running, and then click on SSH button, open in browser window option, choose open in browser window option. Now let's see what is our external IP. So this is our external IP from in network interface option. So you can copy your external IP. Okay, now what after this, paste the external IP in RDP, which is remote desktop option. And next, what we have to do, let's see our, yes. So you can see that our SSH window option is now like starting establishing connection to the SSH server. Now, what is our next step? So here you can see that we have already completed this step. Okay. And after this, what we have to do, it will take 1 or 2 minutes. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. So yep, let's see that our command prompt is also started, or you can say CMD is also started. Now what we have set up our password now. So you have to copy this command sudo password ubuntu and paste in command prompt. Okay. Yep. So paste the command, enter, set up a new password. So give new password, then again retype new password. This will help you in login in remote desktop option. So you can see the message password updated successfully. Now go on remote desktop option, click on connect button. After clicking on connect button, click on yes. So here you can see that our remote desktop option is also started. Your username is Ubuntu. Okay. So give Ubuntu as username, your password you have set up in CMD. So give password, enter, and wait for 1 or 2 minutes. So you can see that our CMD started, our desktop is also started in 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, so yep, wait for 1 or 2 minutes more. Now let's see what is our next step. Okay, so we have completed these all steps. And again, I'm saying if you are a Linux user, so use Remina for setup. I am on Windows, so I use RDP. Okay, so if you don't have if you don't have Remina installed on your Linux machine, first install the Remina as per the Linux distribution. So you can open this link from here, how to install Remina. So you can check it out. This also. After this, let's see what is our next step. So to access the Flowise user interface, copy the public IP of the VM and paste in the browser, hit enter and accept the security warnings. Okay, so again copy the public IP of the, then type HTTPS, and after typing HTTPS, paste the public IP, click on advanced, click on proceed. Okay, so you can see that yeah, so our Flowise interface is finally started. You can explore this interface also. We will cover these things in our next lectures, like about the Flowise and other things. Okay, so yep, and let's see what our, yes, you can see that our VM is also started here. Remote desktop option is also started here, so you can explore these things also. And yep, after this, let's see what is our next step. Have you ever used FlowiseAI available to you? You can do a lot of things from with Flowise. To set the password for the Flowise UI, connect via terminal as shown in step 4 and run below command. Okay, if you want to set up the password for the Flowise, because this is just started. We have not set up any password on for Flowise UI. Okay, so for setting the password, copy this command. Okay, and after copying this command, run in your terminal. Let's see what is our like what is happening. Okay, so okay. So you can see that there are a lot of things here like switching to one to user, CD to Flowise. So you can see that okay. and you can see that your password, run Ubuntu PC CD home. This is the step basically. So you can see the steps here, like for set up the password. Let's see on website also, like what is the steps. So you can in the file comment you can see that line number 8 and uncomment line number 9. Go to the end of this line, replace your password with actual password you want to use as shown in FlowiseAI. So once uh, once the changes are made, save the file by pressing Control and Enter is the exit the file using Control plus X. So you can copy this command from our website. So to set the password for FlowiseAI, connect via terminal as shown in step 4 and run below command. We have already completed. We have run the command. It will open the Flowise per boot.sh file as shown in below. In this file comment line number 8 and add comment line number 9 and go to the end of line. Replace your password with the actual password you want to use as shown in the below screenshot. Okay, so let's do this also. Okay, so we have replaced this password. Okay, you have set a password here. Okay, this is like something cool stuff. Okay, now we have give any password like uh, hello demo, hello demo 123. Okay, so this is the password for the setup. And if you change the username also, basically the username is admin. If you want to change the username, so you can change according to your preference. Otherwise you can give admin. Admin is like, because this is the like after set up the password, if you log in again in the UI, or if you log in again in the Flowise interface, so you are on a admin mode. Okay, so what we have to do next, we have set up the password. Once changes are made, save the file by Control O and hit enter. Okay, so Control O, give Control O and hit enter. Okay, so we have set up the password now. And next, what we have to do, exit the file using Control X. Okay, so Control X. We have successfully set up the password, our password now. Now let's see what is our next step. Again, we have login with another password. So now you can see that we have changed our password now, and we have login with our new password. Okay, so first log out here, and after log out, we have again login with new password. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. So give user admin and password, give password. You have set a password in your command prompt. Okay, so we have give new password and again login. So you can see that we have login with your with the new password. So and that's all about this. Uh, that's all about this lecture. So we don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Also follow on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Medium blogs. And we will meet in next video. Bye bye.